Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marella V. For today, I will teach you how to make fabric yo-yos. The materials that we need for our project is a piece of fabric, any circle object that we can use as a pattern, needle and thread, scissors, and pen. Also, a tape measure. Let's start. Get your pattern guide. Here I used a saucer. Mark the opposite side of your cloth. Now you can cut the fabric. You don't need to give any seam allowance for this. Just cut on the mark you have made. Fabric yo-yo or yo-yos is produced by forming a fold at the edge of a fabric circle with a running stitch and then pulling the thread to form a gathered round. The fabric yo-yo is usually associated with the year 1930s and 1940s. This became popular because this is a good way to use small pieces of fabric. It is a good way to make do with what we have. With our circle fabric ready, get your needle and thread. Remember to fold the edge of the fabric as you make a running stitch. By the way, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified of my new uploads. If you learned something from this video, please do press the like button. Continue to make the running stitch around the fabric circle. When you're done stitching around the fabric circle, it is now time to pull the thread. As you pull, the fabric will gather together. Adjust the gathers and make your knot. Our fabric yo-yo is done! Now let's compare the fabric yo-yo with the pattern we used. Usually, the fabric yo-yo produced is half the size smaller than the pattern. Example, if you use a 5-inch diameter pattern, it will produce a 2.5 diameter yo-yo. Now, I will teach you how to join your yo-yos together. Face 2 yo-yos like this and make a stitch to join the two. Stitch repeatedly 4 times on the same spot and secure with a knot. If you combine several yo-yo fabrics, it can be made into beautiful pieces for the home or personal use. To join several yo-yos, just do the same procedure in joining them. Stitch repeatedly 4 times on the same spot and secure with a knot. Here is an example of a joined yo-yo. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.